Hello everyone, this is Teacher Nova. How are you today? I hope you're all doing fine. Join me as we study the lesson about reducing fractions to lowest terms. But first, let's have a short review of our previous lessons. Change the following dissimilar fractions to similar fractions. First, we have 2/5 and 3/10. Change it to similar fractions. We have 4/10 and 3/10. The second pair, 1/2 and 4/7. Change it to similar fractions. We have 7/14 and 8/14. Next, we have 1/3 and 5/6. Change it to similar fractions. We have 2/6 and 5/6. And the last one, we have 5/9 and 1/3. Change it to similar fractions. Okay, the answer is 5/9 and 3/9. When do we say that a fraction is in its lowest term? Fractions are in lowest terms if it is a unit fraction. Examples: 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, and so on and so forth. If the numerator and the denominator are prime numbers. Examples: 2/3, 3/5, 3/7, 5/11. If the numerator and the denominator are relatively prime, meaning to say they don't have any common factor aside from 1. Examples: 10/21, 9/11, 8/15, 5/12, and so on and so forth. Let's now change a fraction to its lowest term. We have 4/12. Step 1. Find the greatest common factor, GCF, of the numerator and the denominator. 4/12. 4 is our numerator, 12 is our denominator. Let's first find the factors of 4. We have 1 times 4 and 2 times 2. Therefore, the factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. Let's now look for the factors of 12. We have 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Notice that we have 3 common factors, 1, 2, and 4. But we are asked to find the greatest, so we're going to pick 4. Therefore, the GCF of 4 and 12 is 4. Step 2. After finding the greatest common factor, we're now going to divide the numerator and the denominator by their GCF, or greatest common factor. Our fraction is 4 over 12. So we're going to divide this by 4, which is their GCF. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Therefore, the lowest term of 412 is 1/3. Let's try another one. We have 8 over 24. Let's find their greatest common factor. The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. The factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. And their greatest common factor, or their GCF, is 8. Now, let's divide the numerator and the denominator by their GCF. 8 over 24 divided by 8. 8 divided by 8 equals 1. 24 divided by 8 equals 3. So the lowest term for 8 over 24 is 1/3. You can do this. I know you can. Reduce the following fractions to lowest term. Number 1, 6 over 9. What is the lowest term of this fraction? Let's check it out. It's 2/3. Number 2, we have 8 over 16. What is the lowest term of this fraction? Let's see. It's 1/2. Number 3, we have 5 over 20. What is the lowest term of this fraction? Let's check your answer. It's 1/4. Number 4, 4 over 16. What is the lowest term of this fraction? Let's see. It's 1/4. And the last number, 10 over 24. What is the lowest term of this fraction? We have 5 over 12. Did you get it all correct? Very good. Reducing fractions to lowest term is very easy, isn't it? Keep practicing. Once again, this is Teacher Nova saying thank you and keep safe always.